Well, hello aviation lovers and welcome back to the Vliegpiet channel. This week, a spectacular, stormy landing at Amsterdam as seen from the observer seat. Buckle up for a bumpy ride. Enjoy this one! We were joined tonight by a newly hired first officer who filmed this landing by hand from the observer seat. Within my company, a new first officer must perform 2 familiarization flights, which means you have to fly on the observer seat. Of course, you could also watch my channel, but I'm afraid that's not legal yet. We were expecting some rain showers and windy conditions, but at Schiphol this can always turn out a bit different. That was also the case on this evening. Later on during the night and in the morning a storm was expected, but now it was already turbulent and challenging to land. As you can see on the weather radar, there was a lot of rain indicated by the green and yellow. The indications on the radar are a bit like a traffic light. The colors range from green via yellow and red to purple. Of course, we avoid flying through red and purple. The weather at Schiphol was, as we would say, interesting, and we discussed diverting to another airport. But the weather was stormy all over this part of Europe, and actually Amsterdam was the best. Then it's an easy choice, since Amsterdam has runways in all directions, and we are familiar at this airport. You can hear the rain on the windshield. Yeah, it's a bumpy ride. We're now on final for runway 18 right. Flaps are set at 5. We have a crosswind from the right.
2500.
You can see the crab angle we have to fly to stay on the final track. You might think that we were better off with an approach to the runway 27, but on the ground the wind was still southerly enough to land at 18 right. Later in the evening, ATC switched to runway 27. Complicating factor this evening was the cloud base at around 1000 feet. When we got clear of the clouds, the wind was shifting more to the south. Autopilot off to get a feel of the wind. Runway in sight, let's go! The crab angle is now almost gone, but it's still very bumpy. On the weather radar you can now see some red spots. They are behind the runway and do not affect our missed approach path.
Approaching minimums. Minimums. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Alright, thanks for the applause and thank you for watching. Come back again next week for another Vliegpiet's Flying Friday. Don't forget to smash that Vliegpiet subscribe button, hit the bell icon and join the journey.